सो 296 राइट वही है कि जो असिम्प्टोल से उनके बीच में जो एंगल रहता है दैट इज द मैक्सिमम एंगल सेपरेटेड बाय द हाइपरबोला। तो मैंने उसका यानी प्रूफ वगैरह तुम्हें यानी वीडियो में अपलोड करके मैंने दे दिया है, वो वॉच दैट। या सो कम ऑन लेट्स गो। क्या था अपना? राइट फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट P to two tangents are drawn to the hyperbola, the least value of the angle between these, right? So क्या है ये x square upon 1 minus y square upon 4 equal to like basically, yeah, so right, जो अपना b value है just equal to 2 and a equal to 1, so 2 tan inverse of 2, that is the angle basically, right? Yeah, that's our angle. So like that's tan inverse of, so 2t upon 1 minus t square just 1 minus 4 is like negative 3, right? So tan inverse of negative 4 upon 3, which can be thought of as like pi minus tan inverse of 4 upon 3, right? Well, that works. So B is the answer. So yeah, next question. I know कि वो, I guess it should not be like that, but whatever. Next question. 297. मतलब वो मॉड वगैरह में चाहिए, I get it. But then let's not worry about that. Okay, 297. The latus rectum of the conic passing through the origin and having the property that the normal at each point intersects the x-axis at x plus 1 comma 0. Latus rectum of conic passing through the origin, okay, and having the property that normal at each point x comma y intersect the x-axis at x plus 1 comma 0. अच्छा, तो ये जो दो पॉइंट्स है ये उस नॉर्मल लाइन पर है। तो स्लोप कितना है? स्लोप है that is just y upon, so negative 1, I guess. So it's negative y is equal to slope of normal. So that just means ki, 1 upon y is the slope of the tangent. Like that's just dy upon dx, which means like y dy is equal to dx. So x is equal to half y squared plus some kind of constant, right? That's what it is. So right, that means like y square is equal to 2 times of x minus some constant a, right? A means को x not बोल देते हैं, whatever. Yeah, that's the thing. So latest rectum कितना है? 2. Okay, next question. 298. Okay, if दो lines दी है meets the coordinate axis at in 4 distant and real points. अच्छा, so it's meets the coordinate axis you're saying. It's like a pair of straight line is meeting coordinates in 4 distinct points. Yeah, that's what you're saying. Which lie on a they lie on a circle. That's important. Number of values of k's. So first of all, बस तुम निकाल लो कौन से points है. So let's just put y equal to 0. You get x is equal to 1 upon 2, and then y will be what? So एक पॉइंट अपने को समझ गया है, just 1/2, 0. फिर other point will be like 0, 1 upon k. Okay, फिर एक और point which is just put y equal to 0. This will be x is equal to negative 2 upon k square. So negative 2 upon k square, 0. Okay, और जो चौथा point रहेगा, what is that? कहाँ पे मर गया ये? Right. We'll just put x equal to 0 is like y will just become negative 1 upon 2. 0, negative 1 upon 2, right? Yeah, कहीं कुछ रिपीट हुआ है? नहीं. So this is the thing. अच्छा, ये 4 points है which lie on a circle in number of values of keys. Once again the same thing as that, like x plus y square वगैरह वो सब, right? Okay, so you know इसमें x plus y square क्या होगा? 1/4. फिर x की वैल्यू just 1/2, फिर y की वैल्यू 0, फिर 1, and then next इसके लिए करते हैं, so just 1/4 0 negative 1/2 1. Okay, फिर next करते हैं इसके लिए, so it's like 1 upon k का square, x value 0, फिर ये 1 upon k, फिर 1, and then the last one is this thing which has 4 upon k squared, then negative 2 upon k squared, then 0, and then 1, right? But yeah, so this is the thing. Subtract कहाँ से करें? Well, just start from this thing, I guess. So ये use करके अपन subtract करना शुरू कर डालेंगे. I mean, what could go wrong, right? What could go wrong? Well, this is equal to 0. What we can do first of all, just multiply by some stuff. Let's just say 4 से multiply करो पहले रो को, और इसको भी 4 से multiply करो. What you get? Just get 1 2 0 4. Okay, this is like 1 2 sorry 1 0 negative 2 and 4. Okay, यहाँ पे मुझे क्या मिलेगा? k स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, you just get 1 0 k स्क्वायर, एंड यहाँ पे मिलता है 4 negative 2 k. वेट, केस या एक मिनट, यहाँ पे के पावर 4 चाहिए ना, बिकॉज एक्स प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, और या के पावर 4 मतलब केस में यहाँ पे के स्क्वायर आएगा. थोड़ा सा इसको अलग करके लिखते हैं, एक मिनट. right? It should be like this. So यहाँ पे आएगा negative 2k square because yeah, and then it's like 0 and then just have k power 4. So this is equal to 0, right? That's our thing. Okay. अब start subtracting some stuff. So ये तो गया. It just becomes what? It's like 0 यहाँ पे. Wait. ये 0 0 है. So you can use this. Oh, okay, you can actually do that, right? Wait, नहीं वो 3 by 3 matrices आएगी, which is not a good thing. So we don't want 3 by 3 matrices. You just have to do something else. Okay, think. 4 4. I really want to get rid of that. In fact, so just I'm gonna do that actually. Okay, ये तो still वैसा ही रहेगा. It just becomes 0 over here. This is negative 2 over there. ये वैसा ही है. ये मर गया just 0. सब ये negative 2 हटा दो. Just 1 1, right? हो गया. Okay. इसके आगे क्या? Can kind of get rid of this thing. So यहाँ पे मैं 0. Okay, वो सब कर सकता हूँ. But is this actually going to give us anything? Probably not. Fine. यही तरीका है ना, that we have to get rid of these things. Okay, ठीक है. Just subtract all that. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? 0. Subtract किया जाए negative 2. This thing is just that, and then यहाँ पे -4 आ जाएगा. This is just too much, right? Yeah. This is just too much. कुछ तो भी और ऐसा करो जिससे ये अपने आप कैंसिलेशन होना शुरू हो जाए इसमें. I'll think about it. What if we get rid of this thing somehow? That is a possibility. So I mean, you can do 4 times, so then you get rid of that. Yeah, मतलब वो कर सकते, but not good. Why would you do that, right? So कुछ भी और ऐसा कुछ तो भी जिससे कुछ cancel होने लगे. Honestly, what is this? It's just not making. Yeah, ये बहुत गंदा होने वाला है. You have to get rid of some stuff. ठीक है ना? The number of values of k is. We have to figure out the number of values of k. So k not be 0. Okay, ये 0 नहीं हो सकता. Otherwise क्या हो सकता है? ये अपने कुछ सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. There's no escape. ठीक है ना? So just do the thing. It's like ये determinant. यहाँ पे अब subtract करेंगे 2. First of all, it's negative 1. Then it's 1, and then negative 4. फिर यहाँ पे आएगा negative 2. वो 0 हो गया, वो गया, राइट? वेट, एक्चुअली अपनी सब्ट्रैक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. ये वाला करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. ओके, फर्स्ट ये सब्ट्रैक्ट लाइक 1 1 0 है यहाँ पे. देन ये सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, इज जस्ट 0 ओवर देयर. फिर यहाँ पे जाएगा negative 2. देन दिस इज k एंड दिस इज k स्क्वायर माइनस 4. और फिर किया, वापस में सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, इट्स लाइक 4 टाइम्स ऑफ दैट. सो जस्ट negative 2k स्क्वायर्ड माइनस 4 आई गेस. ओके, और क्या? ये सब्ट्रैक्ट जस्ट negative 4 ओवर देयर. ऑसम. And then, well, yeah, just k power 4 minus 16. Okay, थोड़ा बहुत प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है. सो इसमें से तुम k स्क्वायर माइनस 4 कॉमन निकाल सकते हो. इट्स लाइक दिस थिंग, k स्क्वायर माइनस 4 1 negative 2 1 k, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 0 1 k स्क्वायर प्लस 4. यू कैन टेक आउट, आई डोंट नो, दैट्स negative 2 और समथिंग. अच्छा, अभी के लिए नहीं, अभी के लिए थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ. डू दैट लेटर. ओके, इट्स लाइक दिस आई थिंक. कूल. अब क्या? You can like try adding up some stuff. So इसको 2 times of this thing add over there. It just becomes what, like k minus 4. And then this is like 1 0 1 0 k 1. वो 2k से मर गया. Just 2 minus 4 is like negative 2. So this becomes this thing. Awesome. Okay. अब क्या? You can get rid of that thing. So just यहाँ पे negative 2 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा, right? Ooh, that is looking nice. तो ये तो गया, पूरा चला गया. इसलिए this thing. Yeah, right. So तब हम कर सकते हैं डायरेक्टली just k cube plus k plus 2 times all of this, k square minus 4, right? This is equal to 0. That's what it's saying. So कितने values हो गए k की such that, well, इसमें 0 तो नहीं है at least, that's for sure. इसमें से तुम्हें k2 और minus 2 मिल रहा है. इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या, like 3k square plus 1, which is otherwise positive. So that means कि इसमें तुम्हें एक सिंगल वैल्यू मिलेगा. And that's it, like तुम्हें 3 वैल्यूज मिलने वाले. So A is the answer. Next question. So 299. बड़ा सा लंबा था ना ये. या जो भी है, तुम्हें 3 वैल्यूज मिलने वाली है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इज इक्वल टू 10 raised to 4/7 plus 10 raised to 4/19 होगा जो ये टिल इंफिनिटी. 4/7 हर जगह पे फोर्थ में दिख रहा है, राइट? मे बी इट्स लाइक 7 को 1 plus 6 and then 1 plus 6 is 2 times of 4 and then 19 is like 1 plus 18. 18 नहीं जमेगा ना. It's like, but करना तो वैसे ही पड़ेगा because 18 is 18 4 का मल्टीपल तो है नहीं, so you can't do that. Neither was 6 का हमें 4 का मल्टीपल था. Okay, so that won't work. What was like addition of something? If it's addition of something, nahi. How can it be addition of something? That would not be working. Subtraction ही चाहिए रहेगा, but then it's like 1 plus यहाँ पे 6 आ रहा है, and then 6 के लिए you just need 3 and 2, so उनका subtraction like 1 होगा, not 4. So extra 4 का factor कहाँ से ला रहे हैं ये लोग? Okay, not good. तो ये और तरह से देखना पड़ेगा इसको. Like okay, addition ही देखनी पड़ेगी. So 4/7 is like, okay, नीचे का जो है 7. कुछ और तरीके से देखना चाहिए. Maybe like 2/7/2 is like 1 plus. सच में नहीं, वो बहुत घटिया सा हो जाएगा कुछ तो भी. पर और कोई तरीका तो है नहीं. We don't know. मे भी कुछ और हो जाए like 1 plus. इसमें ऑप्शंस क्या आ रहे हैं? 1 tens of 1/2 tens of 1/3. आई हैव नो आइडिया वो ऐसा क्यों है. टेलीस्कोप को तो करना ही पड़ेगा इस तरह से, अदरवाइज ये काम ही नहीं करेगा. maybe D is correct, like quadrant of 1 plus tens of 3 or something like that. So probably we'll just have to split it like that. But then 4 का difference कैसे? नहीं, you don't have a difference of 4. 5 and 1 or something like that, right? So 6 and 1 का 5 होगा. That's not good. Uh, you can use like 1 minus something, so it's like -4/-7, and then nah, बहुत लंबा हो रहा है, right? Not worth it. Something else. It's like कुछ तो होगा ना. इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके देखो तो क्या मिलता है तुम्हें? uh, नहीं यार, ऐसे अपन नहीं जा सकते ना. You can't just combine. कुछ तो इसमें पैटर्न होगा. 7 फिर 19 फिर it's like 6 और फिर यहाँ पे 18 फिर इसके बाद में 38. Not going good. It's like 20 minus 1. This is 40 minus 1. It's like random numbers लग रहे हैं मुझे ये. 64 plus 3. Seriously, no. 36 plus 3. 16 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Oh, this is weird. It's like this thing, 4/3 plus r squared, right? So r का start हो रहा है 2 से. So summation of tan inverse of this guy till infinity. So for r equal to 2 से infinity तक, because initially 4 plus 3 है, फिर क्या आ गया? 16 plus 3 हो रहा है ना. Okay, that's different. So इसमें शायद से 2r रखना चाहिए मेरे को. So like 4r squared. So then r is equal to 1 to infinity. So initially r equal to 1 like plus 4, फिर 2, so this is like 4 times 4, 16, 16 plus 3, then 36 के लिए just 9 times 3. Yeah, and then just have 64, which is like once again 16. Okay, that is working out, it seems. चलेगा. Then this is like what, 1/r squared plus 3/4. Not good. You don't want it to be like this. Think about it. What about like 1 plus something? Right. Probably that's the only way. So just इसको factorize करना पड़ेगा somehow. Uh, uh, 4r squared, हाँ. 4 का difference चाहिए for some reason. Think. Must be something that I can do, right? Yeah. 1/. So अगर ये difference है, then you should have 1 plus something of that sort, right? Okay. इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ ना, 1 plus 2 plus 4r. That's not good. कुछ और. इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ 1 plus r squared minus 1/4. But then it's like 1/2. Hey, that is not that bad. 1/1 plus r minus 1/2, and then r plus 1/2. Hey, yeah, that actually works out. It's just tan inverse of r plus 1/2 minus tan inverse of r minus 1/2. That's the summation of, yeah, okay. We'll just say tan inverse of r minus 1/2 is equal to a sub r. So a sub r is equal to tan inverse of r minus 1/2. So we'll start off at r equal to 1 for this. Is like what, a sub r plus 1 minus a sub r. So क्या हो जाएगा? a2 minus a1 फिर plus a3 minus a2 चलते जाओ till infinity. Let's just say it is an करेंगे. It's like an minus 1 तक, in fact. Okay, cool. And we'll just let n approach infinity or something. So क्या हो जाएगा? Tan inverse of What is n is like r minus 1 upon 2 is just, this is in this case like n minus 1 upon 2 as n tends to infinity, and then minus of tan inverse of, well, it's like 1, so just 1 upon 2 over there. मतलब क्या, it's like cot inverse of 2 basically over there. और ये क्या है, pi upon 2 अप्रोच करेगा because infinity, so yes. Right, it's like tan inverse of 1, oh sorry, tan inverse of 2 in fact. ये actually में just tan inverse of 2 होना चाहिए. Now which of these are tan inverse of 2? Is this tan inverse of 2? It's like pi minus tan, pi upon 2 minus, okay, that's weird. Tan inverse of 1 upon 3 कर सकता हूँ मैं इसको. Okay, then, and this is like the same thing as that. So it's like what, 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus of, well, this won't work, this just won't work. What about this guys, like 1 plus 1 upon 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3 or something like that, right? Well, yeah, so it's like 4 upon 2. Oh, that works out, so B is correct. Next question. 300. 300 is number of values of x satisfying this equation. So x minus x cube upon 4. देखा हो रहा है ना? Okay, उतना भी नहीं because यहाँ पे 4 आ रहा है. So it's not that. It's not 5 upon 16. Not good. यार ये अजीब है. It's like tan x का अपन, can we actually figure out the Taylor series of tan x in some way? मतलब क्योंकि एक tan of cot inverse में है, so probably वही hint रहने वाली है, right? We'll see. So चलो फिर ट्राई करते हैं tan inverse of x की सीरीज निकालने का. Should we? अच्छा normally जो derivative of tan of x की part, tan x की सीरीज, right? Yeah. So ठीक है ना, f equal to tan x, f dash is equal to what, f, and at 0 is just 0, तो वो मर जाएगा, and it's like directly x start होगा. But then cot x के लिए that's not the thing. Cot x at x equal to 0 is like not defined. Oh god, ये तो सही नहीं हो रहा है. Wait, और यहाँ पे x square है, q. Oh, this is like natural log or something. Oh god. Wait, I am starting to understand क्या हो रहा है. पहले इसमें से x कॉमन ले लिया, just what, 1 minus x square upon 2 plus x square upon 2 का square. Okay, yeah, understood. So it's like this thing, x upon like 1 plus, god, 1 minus r is like 1 plus x square upon 2. I believe that's the thing. So yeah, so पहली चीज बस ये है, which is 2x upon 2 plus x square. Okay, tan inverse of this guy, and then फिर cot inverse of that है. What is that? X plus x square upon 2 चलते जाओ, a upon 1 minus r, r कितना, just x upon 2. So yeah, I believe that. So just this thing, मतलब क्या चाहिए, 2x upon 2 minus x. Slight difference over there. So इसका अपने को tan inverse लेना plus cot inverse of that thing is equal to pi upon 2. Okay, weird. You can just do tan of this on both sides or something, right? They come out of pi upon 2 minus, okay, it's like tan inverse of this guy is equal to tan inverse of that guy basically, right? Or mod x between 0 and 2 बोल रहे हो, which means कि x is belonging to negative 2 to 2. ये जो चीज है, this is like going from 4 to 0 or something, right? So yeah. The main thing is that it's always positive in that case. और ये भी चीज हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहने वाली है. So that's only one way कि इनका tan inverse same हो, that these in fact are the same. Which means या तो x को 0 होना पड़ेगा, which is not correct. So 2x गया, which just becomes like 2 plus x square equal to minus x square. So like x is still 0. Wait, no. Wait, it's like x square equal to negative x. So x is 0 or x is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 चल जाता है, right? So there's only one value, x equal to negative 1. Huh, interesting. B is the answer. Next question. 301. Okay, a bag contains 3 black and white and 7. Okay, 3 black, 7 white balls. 3 balls are drawn one after other, replacing the balls drawn each time with 2 more balls of the same color. Okay, 3 balls are drawn one after the other. Okay, okay, okay. If the third drawn ball is black and the first ball is also black, with what probability? Okay, so probability of third drawn ball black हो, वो चीज रहेगी. Okay, and so probability that first वाला भी ब्लैक है एंड थर्ड वाला भी ब्लैक है, राइट वो कंबाइंड कंडीशन उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी अपॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी की थर्ड वाला ब्लैक है, राइट दैट्स द थिंग. सो व्हाट्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी फर्स्ट ब्लैक हो. ओके वी विल हैव टू स्टार्ट दिस अनदर वे. सो फिर ठीक है ना, व्हाट्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट फर्स्ट बॉल इज ब्लैक एंड द थर्ड बॉल इज आल्सो ब्लैक. और कितने बॉल्स निकाले? ओके तीन बॉल्स निकाले, राइट. ओके God, it's getting weird. Okay, first ball black होने की probability just 3/10. और हर बार तुम जब एक बॉल निकालोगे तुम्हारा कितना होगा, लाइक वो बढ़ जाएगा, राइट. वेल या सो जस्ट ब्लैक और व्हाइट का अपन देख रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है. फर्स्ट 3 और 7 है, उसके बाद में अब अपन दूसरे इसमें क्या क्या हो सकता है. क्योंकि अपन ने ब्लैक बॉल निकाला है, अब क्या हो जाएगा. अब राइट सो रिप्लेस्ड विथ 2 मोर, सो इसमें इंक्रीमेंट हो जाएगा लाइक 4 7 बेसिकली. सो नेक्स्ट जो रहेगा, सपोज ब्लैक हमने बॉल निकाला, देन दैट मीन्स कि अपना जो रहेगा उसका क्या हो जाएगा, इसको मैं डाइवर्स कर रहा हूँ तो इसमें. सो ब्लैक बॉल निकाला लाइक 5 and 7 एंड देन व्हाइट बॉल निकाला, देन इट्स लाइक 4 and 8. इन बोथ केसेस अपॉन में क्या है, अपॉन में 12. सो राइट. अच्छा पहले से प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है ब्लैक निकालने की, थर्ड बॉल अब निकाल देना. सो राइट ये सेकंड केस वाली प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके ये प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी रहेगी होने की, वो होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है. Just wait a second. Right. That probably is what. So, God. Okay, black निकालने की probability कितनी है? 4/11. That times off with 5/12. Right? कि अपन black. Okay, wait. Well, yeah, like black निकाल. Plus, तुमने अगर white निकाला तो probability कितनी? 7/11. फिर times off. तो probability की तुमने क्या क्या करना था मुझे. हाँ कि probability that तुमने black निकाला of course. So in that case क्या हो जाएगा, just 4/12, right. Wait, yeah, for some reason that is the thing. अजीब है, but whatever. This is the combined condition probability upon probability की third ball is also black. Okay, so यही सब होगा. ये चीज तो आएगी, बट प्लस जो व्हाइट का चाहिए वो भी आएगा, राइट. ओके सर व्हाट इज दिस लाइक 3/10. 3/10 किस चीज था. राइट ओके बिकॉज ऑफ दिस गाय. सो फर्स्ट अपने को ब्लैक चाहिए. ओके जस्ट दिस थिंग 4/11 टाइम्स 5/12 प्लस 7/11 टाइम्स 4/12 वो तो आएगा ही. देन प्लस जैसे लाइक 7 प्रोबेबिलिटी तुमने व्हाइट निकाला होगा, राइट. तुमने व्हाइट निकाला, देन क्या हो गया पहले तो लाइक पहले 3/7 था, अब क्या हो जाएगा जस्ट 3 and 8, राइट. और फिर जब ये डाइवर्ज हो गए इट्स आई मीन दीज थिंग्स. ब्लैक निकालने से जस्ट 4 8 एंड देन व्हाइट निकालने से दिस इज गॉड. ऑलरेडी कि अपने व्हाइट निकाला इट्स लाइक 3 9 और समथिंग. ओके सब अपन इस स्टेज पर आ चुके हैं, उसमें 3 ब्लैक और 8 व्हाइट है. फिर अपन एक सपोज अपन एक ब्लैक बॉल निकाले लाइक 3/11 इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी. और सेकंड पुल अपन कर चुके हैं, और अपन को एक और थर्ड पुल करना है तो अपन वो इसमें से करने वाले हैं. तो वो ब्लैक की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी रहेगी 4/12. फिर प्लस अपने व्हाइट निकाला सपोज, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी होगी 8/11. दैट टाइम्स फिर अपने को वापस ब्लैक निकाला 3/12, राइट. Yes, that will work out. So this is the thing. So ये जो denominators है वो हर जगह पे सेम आने वाला है, वो काट दो, no big deal. Right. So what do you get? Just 3 times of 4 times 5 like 20 plus. अच्छा 4 भी हटा दो हर जगह से. So what do you get? Like 3 times of 5 plus 7 upon 3 times of 5 plus 7 plus 7 times of 3 plus 2 times 3, which is like 6. So this is our answer, which is अच्छा 3 भी हटा दो, like 5 plus 7 upon 5 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 is like 3. 3 times of 7. Cool. Which is 12 upon 12 plus 21. Right? Right? Which is like what? 4 upon 4 plus 7. Which is 4/11. That's it already. So, why is that not there? It should be 4/11, right? Because, right? गलत किया अपन ने. नहीं सही तो किया यार. The third ball drawn is also black. Is black. Okay, then the first being also black. What's the probability of that guy? This doesn't make any sense. Why is it 7 upon 12? That should not be the thing. It's really less than half. That's pretty obvious. This should really be 4 upon 11. वो है नहीं इसमें for some reason. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just 4 upon 11. So our answer is 4 upon 11. Okay, next. 302. और नहीं तो फिर लाइक अपना गलत हुआ और मैं वापस करने ही वाला बिकॉज मैं उसका मिस्टेक नहीं देख पाऊंगा. 302. Okay, if this okay where this is not secret less than or equal to x, then limit x tends to 0 of f of x equals. For x is not equal to 0. Okay, for this is equal to 0. This is that. ठीक है. Oh, इसमें okay, so फ्लोर फंक्शन 0 हो गया देन दिस हैपेंस एंड अदरवाइज ऐसा होना चाहिए. तो उसका ऑलरेडी डोमेन में तुम फिक्स करो कि फ्लोर ऑफ एक्स कैन ओनली बी लाइक 1 0 और -1, राइट. 0 तो हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज ऑलरेडी तुमने बोला है. सो लाइक फ्लोर कैन ओनली बी 1 और -1. ओके, देन लिमिट एज x टेंड्स टू 0 ऑफ f of x. सो इट्स लाइक दिस थिंग कि हमारा फ्लोर x सपोज 1 है देन राइट. सो f इफ क्या गंदे सिंबल रखें लोग हैं. f तुम्हारा ऐसा है. सो इफ तुम्हारा फ्लोर x 0 है देन तुम्हारा जो f रहेगा दैट्स जस्ट सॉरी f तुम्हारा 1 है देन इट जस्ट बिकम्स व्हाट 1 प्लस लाइक साइन ऑफ oh it's not साइन इनवर्स नहीं है साइन है सिर्फ. oh then it's okay really. अच्छा तो करना है कि लिमिट एज एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 ऑफ f of x. so 0 प्लस लाइक से x इक्वल टू 0 प्लस h तब क्या हो जाएगा. जस्ट फिर तो लाइक फ्लोर वो 0 हो जाएगा लाइक जस्ट 0. ओके कूल. एंड देन 0 माइनस तो फ्लोर ऑफ x इज जस्ट -1. सो -1 का स्क्वायर 1 minus sine 1 upon -1, right? So it does not exist basically. Is the answer. Next question. 303. I mean, yeah, that's gotta be the thing, right? It's gotta be the thing. I guess so. Next question. Okay. Uh, x, y, z, s, and t belong to real numbers. Z and t belong are not equal to 0. If f of x upon z plus y upon z equal to f of जो भी है. सो ये सारे रियल नंबर्स है और z और t 0 नहीं है. हाँ ठीक है समझ रहे आपने वो. तो ये इंटीग्रेशन क्या है. अच्छा और क्या दिया. f of x upon z plus y upon z is equal to f of okay so x upon z को let's just say u. It's like basically this thing f of u plus v is equal to because x or y like yeah those things are just variables, right. It's just the same thing as f of u plus let's just say s upon t is like w, so it's like this thing plus f of u minus w. Like what function satisfies this? A linear function of course. So we can just say f is equal to kx probably, right, because I mean तुम देख ही सकते हो यार. It's pretty obvious at this point. I mean yeah you know like u is just इसका sum upon 2 and then just say this is so if this were x or y so it's like f of x plus y upon oops. Oh, sorry right u plus v. Oh that was v, sorry. Okay. So this is it's just this plus that, right. So like basically what f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So Cauchy, which means f of f equal to k times x, right. और ये क्या हो जाएगा then f of negative natural log of 1000 basically like okay negative k natural log जो भी है. क्या ये और फंक्शन है. ये तो इवन है ये वाला पार्ट. okay and then cosine is oh it's different. So like इसमें नेगेटिव में पुट करना पड़ेगा, राइट. yeah that's gonna change it. This is like e power negative sin x minus e power negative minus e power sin x. oh it is odd. It is in fact odd. ये 0 हो जाएगा. So this integral is just 0 basically. I believe in that. Yeah, it looks about right. What could go wrong, right? So D is the answer, right? That is what this integral is. 0. 304. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Okay, 304. If tan of sine inverse of yeah, like just linear functions that works out. Okay, if tan of sin inverse of x upon 5 is equal to 1, then x is equal to, okay, sin inverse of x upon 5 उसका tan is equal to 1. Okay, first of all उसको sin में convert करना पड़ेगा. It's like what? First of all we have to convert it to sine or something. I hate this. Wait, okay, no, you already won k equal, let's just have to write an equation. Sin inverse of x, so sin inverse of x is like negative pi upon 2 to pi upon 2, so उसके बीच में कुछ tan pi upon 4, right? Because yes, so sin inverse of x upon 5, that has to be pi upon 4. So anyway, so sin inverse of x is equal to 5 pi upon, that doesn't make any sense. Wait, what? There is no such x यार, ऐसी कोई value नहीं है x की, because sin inverse of x is definitely between negative pi upon 2 to pi upon 2, so this thing is between negative pi upon 10 to pi upon 10. अब उसमें tan की range क्या है? Well, tan of pi upon, look, pi upon 10 is less than pi upon 4, so tan of pi upon 10 is less than tan of pi upon 4, which is 1. So that means कि ये कभी होगा ही नहीं. So none. There's no such value of x if this happens. Next, 305. Given positive rational numbers ABC such that a plus b plus c equal to z equal to 1, then this thing is, so a power a, b power b, c power जो भी है. So addition 1 है, then ये चीज, okay, fine, right, understood. So a power a, b power b, c power c, like maybe I've seen this somewhere. और फिर क्या है a power, okay, this is bigger than or equal to what? Bigger than or equal to 3 cube root of a power a plus b plus c. आप समझ गया, like ABC आ जाएगा फिर वहाँ पे, and then yeah, okay, understood. Right, so this is actually bigger than equal to that, but वो तो AMGMC हुआ ना, that's not what I want. That's not equal to something है क्या इसमें? That's not equal to 3, that's weird. You can make it like less than or equal to, इसमें A है, so हाँ, interesting. A times A चाहिए ना अपने को. Like, okay, fine, needs A square plus B square plus something like that, right? Yeah, एक में A square आएगा, एक में B square, एक में C square, फिर like इसमें A B B C, okay, and that's like AC, और yeah, so इसमें क्या आएगा A B plus B C plus C A, और इसमें आएगा A C plus, I get what's going on. So this is like saying कि A square plus B, yeah, A times of A plus B times of B plus C times of C plus AB plus BC plus CA, right? And then you have plus AC plus AB plus CB, whatever. This is bigger than or equal to, let's just say like कितने इसमें B times of A, and then it's like C times of, you get the thing. इसमें क्या A B C plus C plus C आएगा, इसमें A B plus C plus A आएगा, and then you get the thing, right? So इसमें 3 times of A plus C plus C, which is just 3 basically. So bigger than or equal to 3, and then kitwi root, how many? It's like 9th. It's not 3, actually it's 9 in fact. 9th root, because मैं कुछ भी गलत कर रहा हूँ उसमें. Yes, कुछ भी गलत कर रहा हूँ. 3a plus b plus c cube, and then the 3a plus b plus c root basically. Okay, so it's 3 and then cube root. That's the thing. Right, and फिर यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? क्या कर रहा हूँ? God, what am I doing? Wait, नहीं, अपने को हर एक पे इंडिविजुअली लगाना है, not like, okay, तो इसमें क्या है, a plus b plus c यानी कि 1, so like, oh, okay, that explains it. So this is just a की power a, b की power b, c की power c, and then उसकी a plus b plus c root, which is 1, so that's, yeah, it's like a plus b plus a b c, right? So a power a plus, you get the thing. So जब अपना है, right, जब अपन यहाँ पे अभी निकाला वो वाला expression is less than or equal to ये चीज, which is just 1 squared. But yeah, so less than or equal to 1 is not. That was pretty obvious, right? Because I guess, yeah. Anyway, next question. 306. नहीं, उतना भी obvious नहीं था, because ये ठीक है जो भी है. Next, I1 equal to this, I2 equal to this, where f is a continuous function, and I1 upon I2 is. Okay. थीटा कहाँ पर है इसमें? कहीं और कुछ थीटा दिया है क्या? Well, they didn't actually give anything. क्या ये x f of 2x minus x squared dx? You know, just like a plus b minus rt. Let's just put 2 minus x over there. क्या है ऐसे? ये एक्चुअली में x f of x टाइम्स ऑफ 2 माइनस x पहले इसमें, और दूसरे इसमें लाइक f टाइम्स 1 माइनस x एंड 1 प्लस x वॉट एवर उसमें। ओके वो तो सेम चीज हो जाएगी। ओके, और इस वाले में तुम क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन स्विच इट, सो लाइक बेसिकली क्या हो जाएगा ये दैट I1 is equal to half integration from sin square theta to 1 plus cosine square theta. Oh god. Symmetry, of course. We always like break into half as well. Well, yeah, so a plus b upon 2 तुम कर सकते हो, like from sin square theta to that. This is weird, isn't it? You know, it's like x equal to 1 minus u or something. So then negative cosine square theta, right? So like x minus 1 चाहिए रहेगा फिर अपने को. So we just say x is equal to 1 plus h or something. X को replace करो 1 plus x. It's like integration from 1 plus x is equal to sin square theta. It's like x is equal to negative cosine square to cosine square theta of. So इसको मैंने replace किया 1 plus x से, which means यहाँ पे चाहिए 1 plus x and then f of ये सब. So 2 minus x, each other 2 minus of 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. And then फिर यहाँ पे just x आएगा, so like that's just 1 plus x of course. And then you have dx, still the same thing. Yeah, that works. Right, and now we can write like अब मैं उसको replace कर सकता हूँ, right? Well, yeah, just once x square you can replace by that. Cool. So ये x वाली चीज तो मर जाएगी क्योंकि वो ये odd function है, like वो तो गया. हाँ, well, yeah, it's just this thing. Uh, wait, I'm sure वो correct है. It's like 2i equal to, yes, this is the thing. Okay, awesome. So I is just this integration. Oh, then right, I1 is equal to I2 because वो same चीज ही होगी ना. Yes. So it's just one. C is the answer. Next question. 307. क्या कर रहा हूँ ये? 307. If summation from n equal to 1 to n minus r is equal to of n minus k c r is equal to n c r, then okay, n minus k c r, so like you start putting in stuff like n minus 1 c r blah 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 चलते जाओ till n minus r put करना है अपने को. It's like r c r basically. हाँ देखा सर, it's like यहाँ पे क्या r plus 1 cr, ये things r plus 1 c r plus 1 लिखो and then basically it looks like r plus 2 cr cascade करते जाता है, right? So yeah, I mean yes, that was the thing, like n plus 1 c r plus 1 can be like n plus 1 c r and then plus n c r. Well yeah, so चलते जाए just become like n c r plus 1 basically. N c r plus 1 is equal to x c y, x equal to n and y is equal to r plus 1 of course. So P is the answer. Next question. 308. Okay, if the straight line y is equal to 2x, k plus 1 neither touches not intersects the parabola this blah blah, then the okay, so touch नहीं कर रहा, except नहीं कर रहा मतलब क्या, b less than 0, then k must lie in the interval. ठीक है ना, इसमें बस just put कर दो, what you get like 2kx plus 1 is equal to ये सब seriously okay क्या है ये, k minus 6x square और फिर right negative में आएगा, just negative of 3. Wait, okay, यहाँ पे कर दो x का terms, right, which is like negative 2kx and then फिर negative 3, right, it's equal to 0. Good, 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 good. I think that's good. ठीक है ना, which means that e less than 0 करना अपने को, which means like k square is less than like 4 तो मर गया, just 3 negative 3 actually. Okay, minus 4 is like 4 मर गया, just plus 3 times of k minus 6 less than 0. Yeah, so like k square plus 3k minus 18 is less than 0. 18 के लिए क्या, 9 and 6 and 3, so k plus 6 times k minus 3 less than 0, so like k belongs to negative 6 to 3. Right, करना क्या अपने को, k must lie in that interval of course, which is D. Next question. 309. Let ABCD be not a series square real matrices such that A transpose equal to BCD, B transpose equal to CDA, and C transpose equal to DAB. And जो भी है. For the matrix S equal to ABCD, consider the two statements. S cube equal to S square is equal to S power 4. Wait, what? A transpose is equal to BCD. B transpose is equal to अगर इसको दो बार ट्रांसपोज लूँ व्हाट यू गेट लाइक सी ट्रांसपोज डी ट्रांसपोज ए ट्रांसपोज आएगा इसमें एंड देन वी कैन एक्चुअली फिगर दोस आउट राइट या so wait what does that actually mean पहले इसमें मैं ट्रांसपोज ले लेता हूँ what you get just A is equal to BCD का ट्रांसपोज like B ट्रांसपोज C ट्रांसपोज D ट्रांसपोज isn't that right because ये अब स्ट्रिक्ट पूरा स्विच कर दिया और कुछ थोड़ी ना किया है सिमेट्रिक वैसे भी रहता है yeah so B transpose is like what CDA so CDA applied on C के लिए वेट कहाँ पे मर गया पहले तो बी ट्रांसपोज करना है ओके दैट्स सी डी ए फिर सी ट्रांसपोज के लिए डी ए बी एंड देन फाइनली डी ट्रांसपोज के लिए ए बी सी ओके नॉट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई थॉट ठीक है दिस इज द थिंग सो ए एक्चुअली बिकम्स इक्वल टू दिस गाय ये तो सही नहीं हुआ यार this is like what C D A D A then B A and B and then C ये मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है यार D A B and the second is E B C so I have no idea इसका मैं क्या करूँ okay consider the statements I don't know इसको कैसे करना है this is just becoming weird इसका अपन डिटर्मिनेंट कर सकते हैं किसी तरह से या सो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एक मैं स्मॉल ए बोल रहा हूँ लाइक ए इक्वल टू बी सी डी देख लेते ना कि क्या हो रहा है कुछ तो भी तो इसमें निकल जाए दैट्स वी कैन से दिस इज सो नॉट गुड I don't know. Okay, like A transpose is equal to A B C D. This is like B transpose is equal to B C D A. That's not good. It's not good. सारे सेम थोड़ी ना रहते हैं मतलब कम्पिटिटिव थोड़ी रहता है सो हाँ राइट इज डिटरमिनेंट अपन निकाल सकते हैं सो ए इक्वल टू बी सी डी फिर लाइक बी इक्वल टू सी हाँ यू गेट द थिंग राइट सो लाइक ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू सी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर इसका मैग्नीट्यूड वाइज सेम है एंड और भी जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई दीज आउट लाइक ए बी सी डी इक्वल टू बस पी में नहीं आएगा राइट और लाइक तीन टाइम्स सो ए बी सी डी का क्यू मतलब कि ए बी सी डी इक्वल टू जीरो जिसको तुम एक जीरो कर डालो या फिर बी सी तो ए बी सी डी का square is equal to 1 which means like ABC equal to 1 or minus 1 understood okay very weird so ABCD can be 1 or minus 1 or something yeah समझ तो रहा हूँ मैं so right what does that actually mean wait A square is equal to ABCD which means like over 1 negative 1 तो नहीं हो सकता that would not make any sense so there's only one way that it can be 1 or it can be of course 0 uh, if it's 0 then like a square equal to 0 which means a itself is also 0 so yeah तो सारे के सारे 0 हो जाएंगे that's one way और a square equal to okay 1 and then what not so a square equal to b square equal to c square equal to d square equal to 1 and it should also be such that a b c d equal to 1 so 1 minus उस तरह की pairs होगी that's another way that's not really helping it's not really helping अपने रिटर्न मैंने समझ गया but other than that there's nothing we can say अच्छा एस क्यूब इक्वल टू एस स्क्वायर हो रहा है क्या डिटर्मिनेंट वाइज देखो तो आई सीरियसली डोंट नो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए ए बी सी डी क्यूब इज इक्वल टू एस एस स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एस पावर 4 व्हाट डिटर्मिनेंट वाइज तो हो रहा है यार बिकॉज एस क्यूब इक्वल टू एस करेक्ट है s squared equal to s power 4 is like saying s squared equal to 1 what if s equal to 0 चलता है what if s equal to determinant 1 है then फिर भी चलता है so, दोनों हो सकते हैं हाँ दोनों हो सकते हैं that's a problematic thing shit तो अब क्या how would you figure out anything if this is going to happen squared is equal to s power 4 s power 4 को तुम s square लिख सकते हो maybe something like that A B C D has like C D A फिर combine कर डालना and then let's try it out as power 4 चार बार सेम चीज लिखते थे A B C D A B C D and then A B C D and once again A B C D पहले तो अपने क्या करना पड़ेगा राइट लाइक पहले अपन देखेंगे C D A So CDA is B transpose, so it's like AB transpose. उसके बाद में फिर BCD and BCD है नहीं, ओके है A transpose A. फिर बाद में ABC, so ABC is D transpose, like D transpose D, and then you just have ABC once again, which is God. Okay, sorry, no. Just we have D. Okay, I'm starting to understand क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, but this is very weird. So this is the thing. Okay, पहले तो अपन ये करते हैं ABC, right? So ABC is D transpose, like D transpose D. Then you just have this times of ये चीज. Okay, just S on 4 for sure, but okay, this is like DA. Must be something else, यार. This is just getting weird. एक काम करते हैं सिर्फ 2 टाइम्स ही करेंगे. Is that a good idea? I don't think. Okay. Let's just talk about S cube first, and then we'll talk about anything else. So because वो 3 का मल्टीपल है, that's why. Okay, 4 टाइम्स 16 तो अपन पेयरिंग नहीं कर पाएंगे, right? So I guess this might work. फिर DAB, which is C transpose, is like C transpose times C. फिर यहाँ पे you get the thing कि ये जो चीज़ है CDA, that's just B transpose, like B transpose times B आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. और बस स्टिल पेयरिंग नहीं कर पा रहे for some reason. ये 3 की पेयरिंग, ये 3 की पेयरिंग, ये 3 की पेयरिंग. वहाँ oh god. अच्छा वैसे पेयरिंग करनी है, तो ये जो लास्ट वाले बचे हुए रहेंगे, दैट्स बेसिकली तुम्हारा क्या हो रहा है इन दैट केस. दिस इज लाइक A ट्रांसपोज D ट्रांसपोज C ट्रांसपोज एंड देन A ट्रांसपोज वंस अगेन. ये तो ऐसा हो गया. इट्स नॉट गुड. सो अगर तुम इसमें राइट ओके, सो अपन 4 का करते हैं लाइक एज पार्ट 4, दैट विल सॉल्व दिस इशू बाय मेकिंग लाइक. हाँ बट वो you're not actually helping anything, so we don't know for sure. Okay, just move on. 310. I really need to see कि इसकी कोई प्रॉपर थियरी रहती है ये सब करने की, बिकॉज अपन सिर्फ गेस वर्क से तो नहीं कर सकते ना. Okay, the value of this sum is equal to, so tan inverse of n upon n plus 2 minus tan inverse of n minus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, upon n plus 2. Difference and then this happens. Well, no, that's just not going to work. It's like 1 plus n plus 1. Nah, actually this might just work. 1 plus n plus 1 times 1, right? It's like this thing, tan inverse of n plus 1 minus tan inverse of 1, which is just pi upon 4. Okay, फिर इसमें क्या होगा, negative. Similarly, just like n minus 1 चाहिए अपने को, which is, and subtract करना है फिर यहाँ पे 1 plus something चाहिए, just 1 plus n, which is n minus, yeah, just tan inverse of n, negative tan inverse of n minus inverse of 1, which is just minus 5.4. So yeah, just subtract करो, ये मर गए. Just this thing, right? That's what this thing is. So start कर रहे हैं n equal to 1 से, like inverse of 2 minus inverse of 1. चलते जाओ, eventually तुम्हें infinity मिलने वाला है. So the thing inverse of 2 आएगा start में, फिर minus यहाँ पे 1 आएगा, फिर यहाँ पे 3 minus 2 चलते जाओ till infinity minus 1 n तक जाएगा अपन, minus 1 जो भी है. so कुछ cancel हो जाएगा. It's just the thing, tan inverse of n minus tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of n is, like as n goes to infinity, just 5.2. 5.2 minus 5.4. So 5.4 is the answer. Next question. 311. Range of this function contains, so fx equal to integration from negative 1 to 1 of sine x dx upon, what is this thing? Minus 2 cosine x, 2t cosine x plus t squared. इसकी रेंज देखा सब लग रहा है. Cosine x you are saying, but okay, x is actually independent of t. It's like integration from negative 1 to 1, and t जो है, it's, I don't know, but ये थोड़ा बहुत like vector से related नहीं है, for some reason it looks like that, right? तो सोच देखो ना, what you are talking about is something like maybe, just maybe. So ये जो है, this vector is like cosine x comma sine x, and then ये जो vector है, this is t comma 0, and इनका जो मैग्नीट्यूड रहेगा, मतलब इसका जो रिजल्टेंट है या फिर इनका जो डिफरेंस है, राइट, उनका जो डिफरेंस है उसका मैग्नीट्यूड का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? जस्ट टी स्क्वायर, ये तो वन है, दिस इज टी, सो टी स्क्वायर प्लस वन माइनस इसके पीछे एंगल क्या होगा? एक्स ऑफ कोर्स, सो दैट्स वाई माइनस टू टी कोसाइन टी, सॉरी कोसाइन एक्स। स्टार्टिंग टू मेक सेंस अ बिट। ओके, तो उनके बीच का जो वेक्टर रहेगा, ये जो वेक्टर रहेगा उसका मैग्नीट्यूड का स्क्वायर है, राइट। देन साइन एक्स क्या रहेगा? साइन एक्स इज लाइक, दिस इज वेरी वियर्ड, साइन एक्स अपॉन ये जो चीज है इसका स्क्वायर। हाँ, और ये चीज का जो स्क्वायर है, हाउ इज दैट एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट? आई डोंट नो, probably the best way to be writing this। और कोई तरीका है कुछ करने का? समझ लाइक व्हाट फंक्शंस ओवर देयर, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव वन से स्टार्ट कर रहा है ये। Even if you do it like that, this is still not going to work, right? The range of this function, we are saying. Think, think, think. Just differentiate. Well, that won't work. I need to know इसको कैसे करते हैं। So it's from negative one to one. So तुम ऐसे जा रहे हो, right? It's like from here to here you're going, or every time you just have, or well, what does dt represent? It's like this element, फिर that times ये वाला जो वेक्टर रहेगा from like, हाँ, तो ये जो वेक्टर रहेगा उसका स्क्वायर, और ये एलिमेंट मल्टीप्लाई करने में क्या मिल रहा है? आई डोंट नो। यू हैव साइन एक्स फॉर सम रीजन। अच्छा, वो तो सिर्फ कांस्टेंट है, वी डोंट केयर अबाउट दैट रियली। सो बट स्टिल दिस इज वियर्ड, व्हाई वुड यू इवन डू दिस? साइन एक्स, नो आइडिया, नो आइडिया तुम इसमें कैसे करने वाले उसको। I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. It's like the radius squared, yes, but कैसे कैसे करूँ मैं इसको? ये डिस्टेंस, इसको कोई फिजिकल मीनिंग तो है नहीं that I can use. Like इस ये जो एंगल है, maybe that change in that angle maybe I could have understood, but then वो भी काम नहीं करेगा because like, oh god, okay, we don't know how to do this one। ठीक है, so now what? uh it's like f of x, we can just do f dash of x or something and then probably कुछ हो जाए, something like that। नहीं, there's no way you can do it like that। t square कॉमन ले लो, that would also help, nothing will help। t जब नेगेटिव डाला, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है इसमें तो। uh, you can change some stuff, but then is this even usable? No, no। ठीक है, फिर इसको नॉर्मल तरह से करना पड़ेगा, just इंडिकेशन ऑफ समथिंग ऑन अ क्वाड्रेटिक। इसको क्या, या ओके, आई नो द थिंग। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी बैड। इसके इसके रूट्स निकालो, राइट, जस्ट हैव टू फिगर आउट दिस रूट्स। जिससे रूट्स हमारे अल्फा एंड बीटा है, सो टी माइनस टू टी कोसाइन एक्स प्लस वन के, zeros alpha beta, it's like t minus alpha and t minus beta, right? So and then you can split it as what? You can split it like 1 upon alpha minus beta and then just have, well, I'm fearing कि अच्छा इसका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या होगा? This was like, okay, god, no, shit, negative, this discriminant is just negative, so you can't actually do that। uh, ठीक है, just do it the proper way, t minus cosine of x का square, right? We got 1 minus cosine x plus sine square x, and we got sine x dx, sorry, dt, this guy, negative 1 to 1। So we just say t equal to cosine x plus sine x times क्या, sin x times tan theta, right? And then this will just become what? ये चीज क्या हो जाएगी? इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम, वो अपन बाद में लिखेंगे, sin x बाहर निकाला यहाँ से, it's just 1 upon a, like 1 upon sin x in this case, okay, and then tan inverse of x upon a, so just ये चीज upon sin x, and this is going from where to where? It's like from negative 1 to 1, okay। So एक केस में क्या है, 1 minus cosine x upon sin x, और एक इसमें है negative 1 negative, वो नेगेटिव आएगा, देखो tan inverse of this guy plus tan inverse of 1 plus cosine x upon sin x, right? तो या इसका क्या होने वाला है, जस्ट 2 sin, वो sin मर जाएगा, जस्ट 2 ओके वो 2 गया है, जस्ट cosine of x upon 2 upon sin of x upon 2, तो उसको नहीं sin तो मर चुका है ना, yeah, just sin of x upon 2 with cosine of x. So like this is just tan of x upon 2, so ये just x upon 2 हो जाएगा, and this is like what, इसमें cosine बचेगा, cosine दूसरा वाला मर गया, upon नीचे sin आ रहा है, so just cot of x upon 2. So this combined is just like pi upon 2. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's just pi upon 2. So pi upon 2 times, okay, the 1 है, that's awesome, just 1 plus, right. This answer is just pi upon 2. That's the range. So B is the answer. Next question. But doesn't it actually depend on x itself? Oh god. It does actually. But then that's assuming तुम्हारा x actually positive है, that you can use this. X upon 2 you are saying. Basically ये चीज tan inverse of tan x upon 2. It should just be mod of that or something. Yes, mod चाहिए ना यहाँ पे. It's actually supposed to be theta, right? Yes. So tan theta की value from where to where is going. Like initially क्या है, जैसे तुम्हारा जो t है it's negative 1 like negative equal to cosine x plus sin x. So tan theta जो है just equal to tan of x upon 2. So we can, I mean we ourselves can, you know, make it happen such that upon we'll just start from theta equal to you know, x upon 2 all the way till okay, starting to understand this a bit. Actually for negative x upon 2 started. So we'll start from theta equal to x plus pi upon 2 all the way till theta is equal to x upon 2, right? Because अपने हाथ में है वो choice, so we can do that, right? I mean, yeah, I guess. Which will mean कि हाँ यार, in any case it's just pi upon 2 all the time. So B is the answer. Next question. 312. 312 is that f equal to this thing, then the value of f of 0 for which fx is continuous. ये चीज को अपने continuous करना है. अच्छा 0, okay, add 0 continuous करना है पहले. Okay. Right. What is this, like 4 function of, is that the floor function of e square or something, or is this just e squared? कुछ बोला तो है नहीं अपने को इसमें. E square is between 4 and 9. That's not a good approximation. 2.7 square, seriously. So like yeah, 729 or something, 729, 7.29, right? So floor function of it is like 7 approximately. So yeah, for negative 7.1, that's negative, right, negative 8. So tan of 7x cube minus, I don't think a floor function है, right? If that's not the case, then you can just write it like, wait, नहीं ये floor function होना चाहिए necessarily, because अगर ये नहीं है then ये cubic term में नहीं रहेगा, okay, इसमें रहेगा, but then like इसमें e वगैरह आएगा, which is not good, so it has to be floor function. So ये 7 होगा, यहाँ पे 8 होगा, right? Yes, yeah, that looks correct. So यहाँ पे just negative attack, मतलब भी ठीक है ना, it's just 7 plus 8, which is 15. So A is the answer. Next question. 313. Equation of plane which passes through the point of intersection of the lines. This, okay, and at greatest distance from the point 0, 0, 0 is. Equation of plane which passes through the point of intersection of these lines. Okay, those lines C and greatest distance from the point 0, 0, 0 of a plane which greatest distance. Understood. So like, would you vector that dot with, right? That's the only way, right? Okay, cool. So क्या है वो point निकाल लो. Just 3, 1, 2 plus क्या था 1, 2, 3 times जैसे r यहाँ पे, and then this point is what 1, 2, 3. अच्छा वो वापस 1, 2, 3 r ही आ रहा है. Wait, दोनों लाइन सेम. Something went wrong, right? Yes. अच्छा मैंने नीचे की लाइन का पहले कर दिया होगा, सॉरी। एंड जो ऊपर की लाइन का है दैट्स जस्ट 1 2 3 plus 3, okay, right, so which means r equal to 1, so like let's go just add color, which is 4 comma 3 comma 5, that's our point, right? Seems like that. Okay, so ये जो point है इससे pass का एक plane and it should also be like the greatest distance from the point से कौन से like okay that r, so n vector जो रहेगा वहाँ पे n hat dot this thing that should be the greatest value. So एक ही तरीका है that is like along this vector in fact, which means yeah, this 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to, so yay, same point, right, which is like 16 plus 9 plus 25, so it's 50, right, which is B. Next question, 314. A circle is touching both the coordinate axis and the center lies on the curve y is equal to 4x. The area of its circle is, एक सर्कल दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस को टच कर रहा है, its center lies on this curve, then the area of this circle is, अच्छा wait, दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस को टच कर रहा है, that means like it's on the y equal to x line or y equal to negative x. So y square is x square necessarily, which means like x equal to 4 or x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is just weird because, right, that doesn't make any sense. तो एक ही तरीका हुआ that, you know, so yeah, right, so x is equal to 4. So x equal to 4, which means y is also equal to 4. So 4 comma 4 is the center. It is 4 basically. That's what the thing is, right? What about नहीं अच्छा y plus minus x है ना, so फर्क क्या पड़ता है, it is 4 and both this is 16 pi is our area, so is the answer. Next question, 315. If tan theta 1 tan theta 2 equal to negative a square upon b square, the chord joining the 2 points theta 1 and theta 2 on this ellipse will separate a right angle at the chord joining the points, okay, on the ellipse, right angle at the what, okay, focus end of major axis, center end of minor axis, right angle, okay, wait, think about it, probably the center or something because yeah, so जो दो पॉइंट्स ओके सेंट्रिक एंगल से उनके, राइट, अच्छा अगर उनको सेंटर पे राइट एंगल सेपरेट करा देन व्हाट शुड हैपन, like maybe so on b square you are saying, though that's just weird because it's like a square m square plus b square, right, so just be a square m1 m2 plus b square, not this is not correct, it should be negative b square upon a square, so that's not the thing, it's not at the center, then where is it, ends of the minor axis, ends of the minor axis, uh okay, matlab at those points, right, so this is just getting very weird, right angle at that point, so right angle मतलब कि क्या m1 times m2 is equal to negative b square upon a होता है, right, that's what should happen, जो उनके एक्चुअल में स्लोप्स रहेंगे, wait okay नहीं m1 m2 equal to negative 1 of course, uh, oh yeah, okay, negative 1 of course, of course, right, तुम जब इसको डीमॉर्फ करोगे into the like ऑक्सीजन सर्कल, तुम्हारा जो m कोई भी एक m है इन दिस, या उसका क्या हो रहा है, तुम्हारा जो राइट लाइक जो भी y कोऑर्डिनेट था वो b अपॉन a से स्केल डाउन हुआ था, तो यस b अपॉन a टाइम्स ओरिजिनल जो m रहेगा ऑक्सीलरी सर्कल वाले कोऑर्डिनेट्स में, दैट इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे जो m है, व्हिच मींस कि ओरिजिनल m इज इक्वल टू a upon b times, right, that explains it, that does explain, it's like on the center it's just a right angle, so b is the answer. Next, 316, it should mean, yeah, just 316, we'll do the 320 I guess. If f of x plus 2f of 1 upon x is equal to 3x for all real x, then integration of f of x is equal to, acha, okay, this is true for all real x, this is 2f of 1 upon x, oh, okay, just I know, look, I know क्या है ये, just एफ ऑफ एक्स को अपन u बोल देंगे, एफ ऑफ 1 अपॉन एक्स अपन v बोल देंगे, लाइक u plus 2v is equal to 3x, and then v plus 2u is equal to 3 upon x. So like 2u plus v in fact. So to add or 3 से divide करो, just u plus v is equal to x plus 1 upon x, and then subtract करो, that will just give us like u minus v plus, yeah, if it and the q subtract now, just do this thing, use this and that to get v. You don't actually want v, you just want u, right? So use this and that, subtract. So u is equal to 2 upon x minus x in that case. Fine. Then what's the integration of f of x? Is just 2 natural log of x minus x square upon 2, right? Yes. Which is D. Next question. 317. Okay, if z minus 4 upon z is the magnitude equal to 3, then the range of the values of z is ठीक है. If z is equal to what? Think about it. It's like r e power I theta minus 4 upon r and then e power negative I theta. So तुम्हारे पास में से दो वेक्टर्स है जिनके बीच में एंगल कितना है, 2 थीटा. थीटा इज अ वेरिएबल में वो r पे डिपेंडेंट है नहीं. एक वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड कितना है r एंड दूसरे का मैग्नीट्यूड कितना है 4 अपॉन r, राइट. उनके बीच में जो एंगल है इज 2 थीटा, राइट. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे नेगेटिव पे आने वाला है, सो इट्स मीन व्हाटएवर, जस्ट इन दो वेक्टर्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन जो है, राइट, उसका मैग्नीट्यूड हमारा 3 है. So this is actually 3, right? And do there can be anything, we don't actually care about that. So, right, and we want the, just use triangle equality, like r plus 4 upon r is bigger than 3, and at the same time also like r plus 3 is bigger than 4 upon r, and also like 4 upon r plus 3 is bigger than r. सबको यूज करके देखते हैं. r squared minus 3r plus 4 is bigger than 0 because r पॉजिटिव था. Then r squared minus, wait, what? R squared plus 3r minus 4 is bigger than 0. Yeah. And then also just r squared minus 3r minus 4 is less than 0. That should also happen. ठीक है. So इसको तुम लिख सकते हो r minus 4 times r plus 1 less than 0. So like r just belongs to negative 1 to 4. So that just means like obviously 0 था. So जो पढ़ा था just 0 to 4 basically. That happens. इसका क्या कर सकते हो, तो इसको तुम ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या होगा, 9 minus 4. Oh shit. Right, this is always positive. Yeah. Or what about this guy? You can do this like 4 को, right, r plus 4 times r plus 1 लिखो तो मैं इसको, yes, bigger than 0, like r has to be bigger than 0. Oh wait, r plus 4 तो already positive है, so like r minus 1 is bigger than 0, so r has to be bigger than 1, so r belongs to 1 to 4 really. That's the thing. So range of values of z is just 1 to 4, and yeah, inclusive, in fact it should be inclusive because it can be also equal to, right? So just 1 to 4, which is B. Next question. 318. Let s of x be equal to this thing, then h of x is, okay, s of x be equal to, yeah, x cube, okay, integration for x to x cube of natural log of t. अच्छा s dash है इसमें, fine, ठीक है ना. s dash की बात करते हैं. What is this? It's like natural log of x cube times 3x square. You get the thing. It's just 9x square natural log of x minus 4x natural log of x. So just x times of 9x minus 4 natural log of x डाल दो. That's what s dash is. So that upon x ये तो मर गया. It is this thing. So 9x minus 4 times natural log of x. इसकी बात, so okay, this is continuous. Only like for x bigger than 0 it actually works. Oh, तुमने बोला ही x bigger than 0. Okay, fine. So yes, it is in fact continuous. And this is derivable. Yes, it is in fact, because x bigger than 0, strictly bigger than 0. No? So it is in fact, right, in its domain. Yes, derivable and continuous in its domain. Right, so B is the answer. Next question. 319. If the solution of this differential equation is this thing, then k is equal to, so y dash is equal to, okay, interesting. Like क्या ये x y dash cosine y है इसमें sin 2 y है इसमें 2 sin x cosine x. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. With 2y again for some reason. So we need to get rid of that somehow. Cosine y will actually take common. Yes, you can. But how is this actually going to help? I don't know. 3 I get x plus. Not good. Think. X cosine y plus 2 sine x cosine y, and then yeah, okay. And this times of y dash. Right, it's equal to 1 basically. Not going good यार. ये किसी का डेरिवेटिव है नहीं, मतलब दिख तो नहीं रहा मुझे. So we have to modify it somehow. Wait, इसमें y भी नहीं है ना, so that's complicated actually. Not with 1 actually, right? Okay, you can divide by cosine y, maybe looks like what, x plus 2 sine of, it's actually, sorry, it's y over there. Okay, so it's like x plus 2 sine of y times y dash is equal to 1. Not very interesting. Wait, नहीं यहाँ पे cosine y आएगा. Okay, that's not good. Cosine square y probably was like x secant of x plus, एक यूज कर लिया, दूसरा उस पे यूज हो जाएगा. नॉट गुड. सो वो भी काम नहीं करेगा, राइट? नहीं. आई मीन वो प्रॉब्लम ऐसी वो 2 tan x देगा, नॉट व्हाट वी वांट. दैट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. और secant cube x. सो नहीं, ये तो बस लंबा बस चलते ही जाएगा. दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. So you want to write this as a function of, oh okay, so write, yeah, instead of that just use dx upon dy. So dx upon dy is equal to x cosine x, sorry, x cosine y plus sine of 2y. Okay, so इसको उधर भेजिए. Just what do you get? Just get dx minus x cosine y dy is equal to sine of 2y dy. Now I need to get rid of this somehow. Sine of y. Shit, think. That won't work. Just won't work. dx then like negative x आया for some reason इसमें. चलिए, इसमें तो मैंने इसका डेरिवेटिव लिया हुआ है. लाइक ओके, देन यहाँ पे वो रहा होगा. मे बी अगर मैं डिवाइड करूँ कोसाइन स्क्वायर से सेकंड स्क्वायर पे, ना, बहुत गंदा हो जाएगा. कोसाइन एंड सी, ओके दैट्स लाइक यू, नो, that won't help, just won't help. Cosine y dy, wait, what? It's not that bad actually. Cosine y, hey, that's actually very much doable. It's like d sine y. So say sine y equal to s, it's dx minus x ds is equal to, so you have to be cosine y, and it's like 2 sine d, okay, it's like ds square in fact. Square. Awesome. अब क्या, now we get to this thing. यहाँ पे negative है, so just right divide by x square, और will that actually work? यहाँ पे already ds square आ चुका है. Then is this even doable? ds squared or like 2s ds, that's probably better. So 2s ds आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Then you can divide by something like s. Okay, that won't help. That just won't help. It's getting complicated. Okay, तो फिर अब क्या? Some function of, oh right, so like dx upon ds minus x is equal to 2s. That's our function. This, right, of course. It's like, oh, just multiply by e power negative x. So e power negative x, and then यहाँ पे e power negative x. Yeah, so e power इसका, yes, right. Wait, not x square actually. Yeah, understood. So e power negative x पर से अपन multiply कर सकते हैं. So it's like e power negative x square dx minus, wait, फिर यहाँ पे ये वाला x क्यों है? That's not supposed to be there. Not okay, not okay. Sorry. It's e power negative s. Yes, okay, that should be the thing. इतने बार करना पड़ेगा मुझे. E power negative s and then dx minus x e power negative s and ds. Yeah, that explains it. It's just 2s ds e power negative s. Oh yeah, this is the d upon ds stuff of e power negative s times x. That's equal to h is 2s ds e power negative s. So our e power negative sine of y times x is equal to integration to s of this guy. Oh god. 2 integration s e power negative s and then यहाँ पे d upon dq. Okay, that's like okay यहाँ पे d चाहिए था. Whatever, this is the thing. Now we want to integrate this, right? Okay, integrate this, differentiate that. काफी लंबा हो गया ना ये. So 2 times तो नेगेटिव s में नेगेटिव आएगा and then plus 2 integration of cosine e power negative sine t sine. Oh god, not it is to s अपने करना है ना, just 1 in that case. क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? What am I doing? इसको इंटीग्रेट किया. Okay, फिर इसको अपन डिफरेंशिएट किया. Negative, well yeah, it's like just negative e power s, just like that, right? Just s plus 1 in that case over there. Awesome. Plus some kind of constant for sure. So what do you get? Like x is equal to negative 2 sine x sine y plus 1 plus plus some kind of constant times e power sine y. Right. That's our answer. So c e power sine y minus k is just 2 in that case. So B is the answer. Next question. 320. Which is a real value function satisfies this equation, the complete interval in which f is monotonically increasing. So 4y, okay, 4y times 1 plus y squared is equal to 2x minus sine of 2x, and you want when is y monotonically increasing, right? Okay, so let's go differentiate कर डालते हैं. We'll see what we get. Right, 4y plus 4y cubed is equal to 2x minus sine 2y. That's y? No, okay, 2x, sorry. Okay, अब इसको differentiate करो. Is get 4 times of 1 plus 3y squared times y dash is equal to 2 minus 2 cosine of 2x, right? Well, yeah, which is okay, जो भी है. So yeah, which means like y dash is always positive because ये तो positive है हमेशा. This is always positive, right? The complete inverse in which f is more increasing, like it's all real values. Yeah, it's all real values. So D is the answer. Next question. Okay, बस इतने ही काफी है ना? Yes. This is it. I'll see you guys in the next video.